Hello, Hakan. Welcome in Košice. I hope that you are like the city and the venue. So first of all, I would like to ask you what you are doing in your professional life.
So I'm the founder and CEO of Practicus AI. It's a startup based in Seattle, and we build a machine learning and data science platform, particularly focusing on helping non-technical business users.
So can you a little bit say me more about your topic?
Of course. So there is a lot of interest in AI projects and machine learning across the world, and what we observed is that many of those are not successful for some reasons, and the ones who are successful are taking those companies and moving them up to the space, so successful, and the gap is opening up between companies who successfully do machine learning and not. So one of our first starting point was that how can we make the others, not the Netflixes and Apples of the world, but others also get in the game and be able to do machine learning, at least to a capacity, get a little bit of a taste of it, and then decide to invest and learn more about it. That was our starting point. And in order to do that, there are some challenges. We talked in the presentation. The biggest one is lack of data science and data engineer resources in the market. You can find them. When you find them, you can keep them. The next job pays a little better, and that's a big challenge. And another challenge is that these people don't know the business domain. The technical users, the data scientists, data engineers of the world don't know the business domain as well as a business domain expert, of course. So our goal is to make these business professionals self-sufficient. I can do machine learning too, to a degree. Of course, there's always going to be need for the foreseeable future. We expect, we forecast that technical users need to get involved, but the business users should be able to self-sufficient, as I said, to a degree. That's goal number one. Goal number two is this: when you pass it on to the technical people, let's say a high-impact machine learning project, the two personas should be able to continue working hand to hand and collaborate. It's not a I finished, now it's your job and I don't do it anymore. That doesn't work either. Not having the domain experts from the beginning is a bigger problem, but leaving them and then continue on your own as technical people is also a problem. So that's the second part, which is how do we continue working together? You cannot collaborate, or it's not easy to collaborate as a non-technical user if you haven't done anything about it. So that's one of the things that we try to do, give a taste. And beyond, and we were able to go beyond that too. So we have success stories and customers and users that without the involvement of a technical user at all, they can build their own machine learning models, deploy to production, and get consumed by both technical and non-technical users.
Okay, thank you. It was very very nice sum up. Again, thank you that you was here.
Pleasure. Thank you.